Want to know one of my biggest secrets to successfully baking homemade bread every week, and has been my one secret that I've turned to over and over and over again for the past 8 years now?
It's 7 years.
This right here. With your first ingredients is in, and adding in your liquids with the yeast as a yeast starter. If you don't know what a yeast starter is, it's when you activate your yeast, whether it's inactive or already active. Activate your yeast, my dear, and then let it sit. Just sit for a minimum of 5 minutes. This can turn a whole wheat bread into something that has a very, very strong wheat taste, and it's hard to mix up because those coarse grains are really, really stiff, into something beautiful and magical. And I now have flour on my shoulder. Let your dough sit in this very first stage for at least 5 minutes. And this is going to soften up those grains and make it turn out beautiful.
See ya.
And if you like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to follow me for more bread baking tips to help you become more and more successful in the kitchen. So whether you grab one of my free recipes, links are up in the bio, or you simply just follow along and apply these to the types of breads that you're making. Now, if you grab one of my recipes, my friend, please remember that I teach old-fashioned breads, and they are far denser than your traditional store-bought or even the recipes that you find in your modern cookbooks. These are pioneer-inspired recipes that are made to ease your life and all the good things, cutting your time use in half the time it usually takes.
Yeah, but it's by at a time.
Happy baking.
Happy bacon. Happy bacon.